Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Thursday. This is my second time recording this. I said Wednesday before because I usually post on a Wednesday, but today is Thursday. So hello, it's Greg of Gregor Speaks. Glad to have you here with me. I am doing this on a Thursday. I think I'm going to start doing my posts on a Monday and a Thursday now. But anyway, it's been a hot one here in Chicago. I know probably hot where you are at. So I've been trying to, doing the air conditioning on and off so I don't have a big ComEd bill coming soon. So anyway, hope you're well. Hope you're doing great. Today is the 10-year anniversary of marriage equality. And remember, our rights and everything, our trans community is under attack. Marriage equality in several states is under attack. We need to rise up, support your local, national, and global folks and companies and businesses that are there creating solidarity for us, fighting for everything. If you need some links, if you need some information on where to kind of help out and send money or support, hit me up on the comments and I will share that with you. All right, so keep that in mind. So love is love. We got other things, other world problems to solve than to fool around with marriage equality. Just let people live their lives and let them love who they want to love. And not just gay marriage, it's marriage. So that's how I look at it. And also, we're rounding out LGBTQ plus Pride Month. Only a few days left. I had my last gig of Pride Month this morning, actually. I'm not around for the weekend. I know Chicago, the Pride Parade is coming up on Sunday. I am off to Michigan, to my hometown, so I won't be around, but I'm there with you in solidarity and, cheering you on and everything. But yeah, if you're in the Chicago area, Pride Parade on Sunday kicks off at 11 a.m. And I know there's other Pride events that are occurring this weekend. And some people said, how'd you do this month for your lectures? I was down a lot, I have to be honest with you. With all the attacks from the federal government and good old, my lecture programs need a lot of loving, and I'm still needing a lot of loving. So I'm reevaluating a whole lot of things and trying to see what I'm going to do and how things are going to unfold for my career and everything. I've been doing this a long time, ain't giving up yet. It's my legacy. So I'm still booking for lectures, though. Just because summer's here doesn't mean I'm not speaking. That's gregrbaird.com, by the way, and you can check out all the stuff on my website. So have a great end of the Pride Month. I will be doing a video the middle of next week, but you'll probably see some posts from Michigan, I'm sure. All right, say hello, keep in touch, subscribe, like, and share. And I will talk to you soon. Thanks for checking in, everybody. A lot of love from me. And I'm off. I'll talk to you soon.